When properly installed, Front & Center's PSA, short for pressure-sensitive adhesive, gives the appearance of becoming part of the existing face frame. In this video, we'll demonstrate the best practices for effectively applying PSA to achieve a smooth, long-lasting result. Before you apply PSA, you must properly prepare the cabinet surfaces. View our How to Prepare Surfaces for PSA video for a detailed tutorial. When applying PSA, begin with the stiles first. Peel back just enough PSA to anchor the strip to the face frame of the stile. Make sure the top of the PSA is lined up with the top of the cabinet. Then, align the strip to provide an even overlap on both sides of the stile. If you start placing the PSA and realize it's not positioned correctly, stop before placing the entire strip and give it a quick pull. The PSA should come off cleanly without damaging the product. Once the PSA is in position, press lightly, smoothing the PSA and removing the backing as you continue downward. After completing the stiles, begin on the rails, making sure the ends of the PSA extend beyond the inside edge of the stile. Next, use the orange hand trimmer from the refacing toolkit to make a first initial cut, trimming the excess PSA from the edges of the cabinet. Cut into the PSA, holding the trimmer flush against the side of the cabinet. Slide up, then slide down. Do the same on the rails. This will create a flush trim within a couple thousandths of the frame. Note the orange hand trimmer does not cut all the way into the inside corners of the cabinet. Use a snap blade knife to trim away excess material. Now use the ceramic edge trimmer to create a finished, beveled edge. This cut prevents the PSA from accidentally snagging and coming away from the face frame when the cabinet is in use. Wipe off your cutting tools frequently to prevent adhesive buildup on the blades. There will now be 2 layers of overlapping PSA where the stiles and rails meet. Use the trim guide in our refacing toolkit and a snap blade knife to remove the overlap and create a cope and stick look at the joint. Place the trim guide and cut all the way through both layers of PSA. Gently lift the top layer of PSA and use the tip of your knife or your fingernail to remove the excess piece beneath it. Repeat this process for all joints where stiles and rails meet. After you've trimmed the PSA, use your hand or an applicator tool such as a J-roller to apply pressure. This activates the adhesive. Approximately 20 psi is required to secure the bond to the cabinet, and adhesion will continue building for up to 72 hours after application.